Okay, guys, this is the problem I was trying to explain in words that were understandable, and I didn't do a great job, so I'm going to fix it now. Okay, so Sam has a summer job at a new office building. He can paint 3/4 of a room in 2/3 of an hour. He gets paid $15 per hour. How much does he get for painting 24 rooms? We have to find out his wage per room. We know per hour, but we have to find out per room. So watch this. He gets 3/4 of a room done in 2/3 of an hour. That's not something easy for me to like really multiply out. I mean, it's okay, but what I want to do is I want to do what he gets in 1/3 of an hour. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in half. Now, did you guys know that 3/4 times 1/2 is actually 3/8? So he does 3/8 of a room in 1/3 of an hour. I'm going to multiply everything there by 3. Okay, to get rid of this 1/3. Okay, so watch. You're with me? I hope you're with me. So I'm multiplying basically everything here by 3. And the 3 over here and the 3 here, they cancel out. Okay, so I get 9/8. Okay, so it's 9/8 of a room in 1 hour. Okay, you with me? I had the beach ball of death for a second. So now he gets $15 an hour. So he can do 9/8 of a room for $15. I want to figure out what one room is. One whole room, not 9/8 of a room. There's a little more. So I'm going to divide both sides by the number in front of the X. Okay? You still with me? I hope you're still with me. What color do we want? Well, it'll be purple because we're royalty. Okay? These guys cancel each other out. And that's a straight line. We're going to pretend. Because anything divided by itself goes down to 1, and I don't have to write the 1. So I'm going to write X is equal to... Now, you guys do this on the calculator. I'm going to do it in my head. 15 divided by 9/8 is also, believe it or not, 15 times 8/9. Do you remember that from when you learned fractions? And I'm going to show you canceling. Now, I know you've already done this on your calculator, so just be kind to me. All right, so I can make this 15/1 if I want. So now there's something on the top and on the bottom I can divide by the same number. Check this. I can divide this by 3 and I get 3. I can divide this by 3 and I get 5. Then I'm going to multiply straight across. This is going to give me his hourly wage. I'm sorry. This is going to give me his wage per room. Oh my God, I keep messing myself up. All right. So watch. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 over 3. Now, when you divide that on your calculator, you're going to get 13.3333 repeating, which is why it's a rational number. But we're going to make that into 13 rather. We're going to make that into 13 1/3. Okay? So watch. He gets 13 1/3 dollars per room. Okay? Because that's what our X is. X is 13 1/3. And now multiply that by 24. Okay, everybody do that on your calculators. 13 1/3 times 24. Okay, so if you've done it on your calculator, 13 1/3 times 4 is $320, which is what Theo helped us with. Okay, so that's what he gets paid for 24 rooms. And why? Because he gets 13 1/3 dollars per room. And he did 24 rooms. Okay, so that's that problem. Hopefully explained better. Hopefully understandable. If not, and you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you're good, we'll just move on. Okay? Thank you for listening to me. I appreciate you guys.